Good afternoon. I am Bridgid Korir, a graduate from the full stack software development at EldoHub Academy. I have undergone training for the past 3 months with Albert as my instructor. So Mediprime is a solution to a problem we have been facing. I have experienced it myself. When you go to the hospital, you are given a prescription, a certain medicine you have to look for, or you have to get from a pharmacy. But you get to that pharmacy, you're told the medicine is not available, or the medicine is out of stock, sometimes not in the country, and it can be a hectic thing for people who are in need of that medicine, and sometimes it really causes a medical issue because you cannot live without something that you have been prescribed. So Mediprime helps you to locate medicine easily. You search for the medicine in the app. You are directed to a pharmacy that is near you. You add the location, your own location, so that you can be located, and also check the price of the same medicine. So the challenges that I have experienced with building the app is that now getting to the pharmacies around, their inventories are mostly localized to their PCs. They are not in online, so I cannot get the data or the medicines to use in my app. So, but we have been working with a few friends of mine. We are creating a digitalized inventory that will help the pharmacies put their inventories online. So the future development of Mediprime, we have to make it into an app that will be accessed easily by all of us here, and also scale it up to more digitalized and counties in our country and beyond, and also integrate AI so that it will be more efficient for all of us. So thank you.